In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code for your business card for absolutely free. So the first thing you want to do is to go to a free QR code generator. So for this video, I'm going to be using the website qrcodemonkey.com. So once you are on the site, the thing to know is that it is totally free. You don't need to sign up to create a QR code. So all you have to do is to insert your URL. So here you can edit your URL to your website if you want that to be directed. When someone scans the QR code, you can just click your URL here. And also for a business card, you would want to use the vCard or virtual card function here. So you want to go ahead and just input your name and every necessary detail that might be necessary for your business card. You just want to go ahead and input all of that here. Another thing you could do is you could customize the QR code. I typically just like to leave it like this because this looks pretty good. So once you're done filling in the information here, you just want to click on create QR code. By the way, you can increase the quality as well, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to go ahead and create QR code. And once that has created, you can go ahead and download it as a PNG picture or SVG if you want high quality printing. So I'm just going to download a PNG here. Your QR code is being generated, so you just have to wait for that to load. In the meantime, as you can see here, I have designed a business card on Canva. So this is where I'm going to be attaching my QR code. So our QR code is downloaded. I'm just going to go ahead and drag it right here. Okay, so here we have it. I'm just going to minimize it because it looks a little large and just put it right there. So to test and see if it works, you just want to scan the QR code and it should redirect to a page containing your website or your card, depending on what you input here. And remember, this can be customized to whatever colors you want on the QR code. If you want to customize the design, you can do that as well. So if this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.